Hi, I'm Jean, and this is Finca Terrace Rios near Tinamaste in Costa Rica. Welcome to our farm. This is a living live seed bank where we have many different varieties of edible perennials and fruit trees planted within agroforestry systems. Come on and let's walk the farm together. This is where it all starts, our nursery, where we plant seeds that we eat. We collect seeds and we plant them here in the nursery until they're ready to be planted. We have some jackfruits, some durians. This is snake fruit. We have a terrace system where we have contour lines going in circles around the property. Because it's on a hill, we're able to maximize the space. This is a mulberry here, and Suriname cherry. We have rambutans here and water apples. This is our annual garden where we constantly are rotating crops. Whereas perennials, we just plant once and they just keep growing for generations. Oh, little tomato here. This is our dry garden where aloe vera is growing here, along with sage and rue. In our annual garden, we planted many fake sunflowers. These are a biomass producer where we just chop it and drop it, and it helps create a layer of biomass and material for growing beautiful trees and creating soil. This is our water system here where we collect rainwater. And oh, look at the banana over there. Ylang-ylang, one of my favorite flowers and favorite scents. It's the same scent that is in Chanel No. 5. A beautiful pineapple patch, almost ready to harvest, along with yucca, jackfruit, an avocado tree above me. One of the goals at our farm is to become sovereign in our food. We've planted 5 different varieties of sweet potato, including a purple variety and an orange variety. These are malanga, a beautiful heart-shaped leaf. This is our compost toilet where we save our precious manure, and after 2 years it will go back to the fruit trees, back to the land, back to the soil. We have precious poop here. Hola, mi amor. These are our chickens, our beautiful chickens. They want food. They're looking for, where is the food? They're so cute. Starfruit. This is sour, but because of the sun, it's very sweet. Jackfruit here. This is the breadfruit tree. First year planted. One breadfruit can feed a family for over 70 years. Imagine a carbohydrate that can meet an entire family's needs. Some lemons that were already grown here before we arrived. Thank you. The nursery and greenhouse house is one of my favorite spots to be and harvest.